Leader Feeder is brought to you by the Frontline Leadership Training Program. Whether it's our on-site solution or enrolling people into our public workshops, our 2-day Frontline Leadership Program gives supervisors, managers, and team leaders all the skills they need to drive better operating results and employee engagement. Visit us online at uniquedevelopment.com. In this Leader Feeder, we're going to look at how you can create a positive hope slope. Employees don't make the decision to leave your company or stay based on whether the environment is terrible or awesome. They make the decision based on whether things are getting better or getting worse. Your job as the leader is to give employees hope that you are trying to make things better. As long as your team sees progress, they're more likely to stick with the company and stick with you as their leader of choice. So here are a few tips for creating a positive hope slope. List the frustrations. What are some of the things that happen and don't happen that keep your team from being able to hit their goals as smoothly as possible? It could be people issues, equipment issues, or materials issues. Prioritize the opportunities. When you consider all the frustrations, where would you focus your attention to create the biggest improvement? Focus on those areas that make a big difference. Then, implement your vision. Get your team involved in making improvements and enlist the support of other departments and leaders to make things more positive. Once you're successful in implementing a positive hope slope, you might decide you want to work on some of your other leadership skills and abilities. Remember that you can have us in to work with your organization on on-site training workshops, or enroll in one of our public workshops, or just access one of many resources available on our website. It starts with a conversation, so be sure to reach out to us by telephone or through the Contact Us page at uniquedevelopment.com. And I invite you to connect with me on social media, on Twitter, on Facebook, or on LinkedIn. On Facebook, search us out at Frontline Leader.